Well, I've done my schooling from St. Stanislaus Bandra, graduation from KC College, Churchgate, post which I got in through campus placement at TCS where I worked for about 5 months. However, I realized that I can't quite correlate my theory knowledge with the practical work that I'm doing out there, which is when I decided that I should actually try and explore a lot more and go from a vision where I can learn a lot, which is where I thought of taking up internships. An internship is very important for me because I can actually try and put my theory aspect of what I've done in college to a much more practical aspect, and I can correlate to both these things at the same time. Not only that, but an internship will help me learn and help me work at simultaneous times, which I don't think a job would help me do, and a job would be constant one particular thing. Internships, I could fluctuate and I could learn a lot more through different internships. With an experience from intern theory is that they are really personalized. So when you've actually gone, they're not like any other site that would actually dump your and spam your mailbox with different mails of different jobs where you're not even interested. You'll actually really personalize it as to what you are looking for. I think Wycom 18 was a huge platform for me. It helped me learn a lot, it helped me grow. Of course, at the same time in the HR department where I was working at Wycom 18, it helped me relate my knowledge to whatever I've done. We follow this quote which says that work hard, play harder. So there have been times where I have actually completed my work, and then post which we've actually played on the PS with our bosses, and then you go like, whoa, can I beat him? Am I gonna get more work if I do that? But yeah, that's how it is. It is a pretty cool work culture. I think as a future plan, of course, I see myself starting right now. But however, I would like to take up a lot more internships and grow so that I can actually experience different fields into different venues and realize what my genre is, what I can grow into, and what I can become. So I think an internship is the best way that you can experience a lot of different fields. You shouldn't be a jack of all and master of none. I don't say that, but I think you can be a master of all by just experiencing everything and gaining knowledge from them, and I think that does no harm.